Hello everyone, I'm Emma. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be making some duvet covers out of thrifted bed sheets. So I have this pile right here beside me of bed sheets that I thrifted earlier this week. And I didn't really film it because I wasn't expecting to find anything, but I found 4 really good sheets. 3 of them are 100% cotton and then one of them is 50-50 cotton polyester. But yeah, so we're going to make some duvet covers for my duvet on my bed. So yeah, let's get making these duvet covers. First, you will start out by laying out your flat sheets on top of each other, right sides together. You're gonna wanna line up that top thick edge together because that will be your open edge of your duvet cover. Then you are going to sew the 3 edges up so that you have your duvet cover made. On your free edge, you are going to sew in about 6 inches to a foot just to make sure that the corners will stay in the duvet cover. And then make sure to trim all of your excess fabric to make sure there's no bulk on the inside of the duvet. Press all of your seams flat. And then press your large hem into the duvet cover, and then we are going to stitch one side down so that we can create almost like a pocket for the duvet to sit in. And then the last step is to attach your snaps evenly spaced throughout the bottom of the duvet cover. I found 5 was a good number to space out amongst my duvet. And with that, your duvet cover is finished. And that's it. That's how you make a duvet cover. I made 2 in a couple hours, and I think in total it cost me like $20 to buy the 4 sheets at the thrift store. So this is a really easy, inexpensive project that you can tackle at home. The only thing is, like, you want a lot of space adjacent to your sewing machine so that it's not like falling and tugging and being weird. But yeah, that's how you make a duvet cover. So like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that good yummy stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.